if you have any queries, you can put it in a chat box. And just I have introduced myself. My name is Priyanka and I'm working in Bombay Natural History Society. You must have heard the name Bombay Natural History Society. We are the organization which is working in the field of wildlife environmental conservation research since 1883. So it's been more than 136 years. We are working for the conservation cause, and this is our head office, and this is the Conservation Education Center, which is the education wing of BNHS, which is situated in Goregaon East, Mumbai. We have 33 acres of forested land in between Sanjay Gandhi National Park and Are Colony. So we conduct educational activities like nature trails, nature camps, courses, field courses, online courses. Then there are eco celebrations activities we conduct in this Conservation Education Center. Today, I have with me Assistant Director Education, Dr. Raju Pasambe. I have with me our Admin Officer, Abhijit Malekar, our Program Officer, Nandakishore Dudhe, our Education Officer, Kiran Thuma, our Education Officer, Sagar Mahajan. And we also have Mr. Vinod Kulkarni, who is head of CSR Tata Motors team, and we have executive CSR Anjali More ma'am. Then we have associate CSR Karina. I would like to ask Vinod sir to speak a few words about Tata Motors, and then we can proceed at Tata Motors, and of course about this drawing competition, and then we can proceed. Vinod sir, welcome you. I welcome you, and can you please say something about Tata Motors and drawing competition?
Yeah, good evening, everyone. Am I audible, Priyanka?
Yes, sir, you are.
Yeah, good evening, all my young friends, my colleagues at BNHS, and others who have joined this call. So, indeed, very proud to be a part of this drawing competition. So, while I would speak about Tata Motors and the work we do, but more importantly, I would like to compliment all you young friends of mine. For the last 1 year, sort of, you've been locked at your homes, but you have unlocked your potential in many ways. So be it, learning online, doing many things, being at home, and being, very patient with all that is happening around us. So really appreciate each one of you for being, adjusting to the to the fact that we are all homebound. I know how difficult it would be for all of you, the young friends, because we adults ourselves at times get frustrated, and this is the age where you have to play, where you have to meet friends, and do many things outdoors. But at the same time, as I said, you have unlocked many things which otherwise you would not have done. So this is one, I would say, a year of learning for all of us, and particularly for you young ones. And I'm sure all of you have taken full advantage of this situation, and things will change. Things are not going to be the same always. At the same time, I would also like to compliment the BNHS team. Earlier we had our programs, Tata Motors BNHS programs, only in the Mumbai area. But because of the situation we are in, we could reach out to so many of you. More than 20,000 children have been a part of our various sessions, environmental sessions across the country. We have reached out to most of the states, and the culmination of everything is today where people from every part of the country, from Kerala to up north, and from Western India to the easternmost part of the country. All of you have participated in this drawing competition, and then we have been fortunate enough to really get to see all the creative and good work you're doing. So compliments to all of you who have participated in the competition. And participation is more important. Of course, winning and not winning is a part of the game, but more importantly is the participation, and I'm sure all of you have enjoyed. About Tata Motors, I'm sure most of you would have heard or seen our nano car, the car nano, which is one of the technological wonders, I would say, which Tata Motors has made. And I'm sure most of you would be very small, and when a small, cute-looking car would be going on the road, you would have surely turned around and told your parents, "Look, this car, and I want one like this." So we do make cars. There are some cars in the picture out here, and also we make trucks, buses. So all of you would have been somehow touched by Tata Motors products, because all that we get at our homes is transported through some vehicle, and I'm sure Tata Motors would be one of the vehicle which would have moved things to your place. You would have traveled by bus, you would have traveled by car, taxi. Yeah, we are a 75-year-old organization. We are celebrating our 75th year currently, and we are one of the flagship companies of the Tata Group. I'm sure most of you would know about Tata. Tata, they would have heard about Tatas. So yeah, this is about us. Next slide, please. So yeah, next slide. Yeah. So I would not take much time. I take care of the corporate social responsibility at Tata Motors, and as a part of our corporate social responsibility, we have this environmental program with environmental based program with BNHS. We do a lot of things. So we have programs in education. So boys and girls who want to do your IIT or medical entrance NEET, we do have programs wherein we train students in the 11th and 12th standard to attempt JEE and NEET, and with JNV, Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya schools, largely 25,000 odd students are a part of a program, and we are doing a lot of good things for kids. Yes, and many other activities like the one which are doing in the for this environmental thing. We do train youth on skill development. I know you're all waiting for your results of the award, and I would not take much time. So just last point is, yes, we as a business uh, are just not in the business of making money, but we take care of all the stakeholders and take care of the society. So as you grow up, my dear young friends, do always include everyone in whatever you do. It is not that only I want to grow and others needs to be left behind. When we all grow together and do well, we are a much healthier society and much stronger community. So with these words, I would like to end, and congratulations in advance for all the winners, and all good spirit shown by all the participants, and congratulations to the BNHS team for conducting this online sessions and the award function. Dr. Raju and the entire team, compliments from each one of us from Tata Motors. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Vinod sir, for joining and the encouraging talk. And let us begin. Now I would like to invite Dr. Raju Kasambe. Assistant Director Education BNHS, to talk about something on Vasundhara project and our drawing competition. Raju sir.
Thanks, Priyanka. Just few words about the competition. So, about the Vasundhara project. So, Tata Motors funded BNHS, Bombay Natural History Society, to undertake this Vasundhara project, in which we could reach out to 20,000 students from 15 states across India. So, in this, we conducted sessions for students on various topics of your syllabus, like whatever is the NCERT syllabus or Bal Bharati syllabus. The sessions were conducted in English, Hindi, and Marathi, and more than 100 schools and nearly 300 sessions were conducted. So this is one educational activity we did with the help from Tata Motors. Next slide, Priyanka. And also we conducted this drawing competition. So I want to thank everyone, every student who is there, and they have now become very impatient and they want to listen. They want to understand who are the winners. So just to tell you, we got 1,450 entries, actually more than this. We got 3 entries from Bangladesh, and these many from India, so many states, except these few white states. All other states we got entries, 32 states. Students from 32 states participated. So here are the prizes. And next slide, Priyanka. And who is that? Who is going to announce the prizes? First prize?
So now
okay,
I would thank you so much, sir. Thank you, sir. So
yes, go ahead.
Now I would like to invite Mr. Sagar Mahajan, Education Officer, BNHS, to announce the prizes state-wise.
Hello.
Yes.
Yes, am I audible, Priyanka?
Yes, you are.
Okay, excellent. So, good evening, everyone. My name is Sagar Mahajan, and I am working as an education officer here. First of all, congratulations to all of you and for having participated in this competition. And we are very glad that we have reached out to so many of you all. So, to begin with, the first state here, that is Andhra Pradesh. Let us go to the winners. Can we have the next slide, please? Excellent. So these are the winners of the state of Andhra Pradesh, Group A, 5th to 7th. The third prize goes to Miss Memula Masini from St. Matthew's Public School. The second prize goes to Miss Jarvis Ray Ujogi from Sri Prakash Vidyaniketan. And the first prize goes to Miss S.K. Asma from Balaji Highfields. Congratulations to all the winners. And now we will proceed to the Group B of Andhra Pradesh. Can we have the next slide, please? Here are the winners and the results of Andhra Pradesh Group B. The first prize goes to Amna Kola from VPS Public School. The second prize goes to Yamini Vaishnavi from Sri Chaitanya Techno School, and the third prize goes to Shirisha Ikram Khan from Aarti English Medium School. Excellent, and congratulations to all of you. And that was about the Andhra Pradesh results. Now we will move towards the next state in line, and that is the state of Assam. And from the state of Assam, Group A, the winners are here. The third prize goes to Mr. Nishant Deka from Adarsh Jatiya Vidyalaya. The second prize goes to Aragidi Paul from Makunda Christian High School. And the first prize goes to Arga Daw from South Point School. So congratulations to all of the winners, and I can see the reactions of claps and all from the participants as well. So you have been highly appreciated. Excellent. And now we will be moving towards the Group B of the state of Assam. Okay, we did not have the registration from Group B here. My mistake. Okay. So we are going towards the state of Bihar now. And from state of Bihar, here are the winners. From Group A of State of Bihar, the third prize goes to Ms. Deepika Kirti from Bishop's Court Senior Secondary Girls School. The second prize goes to Ms. Sejal Mishra from Mother Teresa, Benipur. The first prize goes to Mr. Prashant Prasad from Kendriya Vidyalay, Motihari. Moving forward, can we have the next slide, please? From the state of Chhattisgarh now, we have the list of winners here. Can we have the next slide, please? Yes. So there was only one registration from this group, and the winner, the first prize is Mr. Amit Anand from Kendriya Vidyalay. Congratulations, Mr. Amit. Next slide, please. Yes. The group B of the same state goes to Miss Saima Sahu from Shivam Vidyapet. Congratulations, Miss Saima. Congratulations. Moving on to the next state, Diu and Daman Union Territory. So Group A, there was only this registration from this Union Territory, and in Group A, Ms. Sarah Praveen Patel from Vapi Public School, ICSC. So congratulations, Ms. Sarah. Now moving towards the state of Delhi. Yes. Can we have the next slide, please, Priyanka? Yes. In the state of Delhi, the third prize goes to Srika Tokis from Holy Child Auxilium School. The second prize goes to Ms. Jyoti from GGSS Kondali. And the first prize goes to Ms. Sharda Jha from Astor Public School, who is very proudly holding the pictures that she has made. So congratulations to the winners. Now we'll move forward to the Group B. Yes. The third prize of the Group B from the state of Delhi goes to Aniket Sharma from SBV Premchand School. The second prize goes to Ms. Ahana from DLDAV Model School. And the first prize goes to Ms. Sabha Parveen from Sarvodaya Kanya Vidyalaya. Congratulations to the winner from the state of Delhi. Can we have the next slide, please? Yes, from the state of Goa. Group A, the third prize of Group A goes to Ms. Daniela Mariela Pala from the Rosary High School. The second prize goes to Siddhi Bera from Chabichik Springs Valley High School. And the first prize goes to Anushka Panigrahi from the King School. So congratulations to the Group A winners from the state of Goa. From the Group B of the state of Goa, we have Mr. A. Parulekar from Chabichik Springs Valley High School for the third prize. And for the second prize, we have Mr. Swajit Prahlad Desai from Sarvodaya Education Society's High School. And for the first prize, we have Ms. Sahana Lotlikar from the King School. Congratulations to all of the winners from the Group B of the state of Goa. Over to you. And now for the winners of state of Odisha, we have here from Group A, Snehal Swain from DAV Public School for the third prize in Group A. And for the second prize, we have Mr. Ayush Mahapatra from Saraswati Shishu Vidya Mandir. And for the first prize, we have Adhyasa Rath from St. Xavier's High School. Congratulations to all the winners here. Next slide, please. From Group B of the state of Odisha, we have Mr. Surjo Pal from Padmavati Jain Saraswati Shishu Vidya Mandir. For the second prize, there is Mr. Sandeep Parida from DAV Public School. And for the third prize, we have Ms. Alisha Panda from Bakshi Jagabandhu English Medium School. So congratulations for the Group B winners of the state of Odisha.
Thank you so
Over
much,
to you,
Sagar.
Priyanka.
Thank you so
Yes.
much for announcing the prizes, and let us move towards the more prizes. And I would like to request you all, even if your states are over, please stay in the event, because your presence will give the others motivation and appreciation. So please stay in the session. And yes, yes, we will announce the prizes of Gujarat in the next upcoming slides. So I would like to invite Ms. Kiran Thuma, Education Officer, BNHS, to announce the further prizes. Kiran?
Thank you. Thank you, Priyanka. So, Group B for Tamil Nadu State, for Group A, the third prize goes to Subita Shriji. Hello.
Yes, yes.
Second prize goes to Harsha K for Tamil Nadu State, and first prize goes to SK. Group B, third prize goes to Sharmila Balu for Tamil Nadu State. Second prize goes to Ambika Ramesh Kumar, and the first prize goes to Rashida Hind.
Yes. Thank you so much, Kiran. Thank you for announcing the prizes for Tamil Nadu. And now I would like to invite Mr. Nandakishore Dude to announce the further prizes.
Okay, thank you, Priyanka.
The next state is?
So, Priyanka, am I audible?
Yes, sir, you are.
Okay, so congratulations, all winners from Telangana state. So, third prize goes to the Nilima K. Congratulations, Nilima. Second prize goes to the Anand Kumar, and first prize goes to the Dasi Rajesh Verma. Congratulations, all of you. Next, Priyanka. So, yes, and in Group B, third prize goes to the Shriya Kolpure, and second prize goes to the Lubna Fatima, and first prize goes to the Ashish. Congratulations, all of you. Next, Priyanka. In Tripura, second prize goes to the Ananya Chakravarti, and first prize goes to the Debarshi Bani. Congratulations, both of you. Next, Priyanka. And in state Tripura, Group B, grade 8 to 10 standard, first prize goes to the Niladri Dev. Next, okay. In Uttar Pradesh, in Group A, grade 5 to 7 standard, third prize goes to the Sejal Jain, second prize goes to the Sanvi Jindal, and first prize goes to the Drishti Goyal. Congratulations, all of you. Next. And in Group B, grade 8 to 10 standard, third prize goes to the Chavi Singh, second prize goes to the Nisha, and first prize goes to the Anvita Bhatt. Congratulations, three of you. In Uttarakhand, Group A, grade 5 to 7 standard, second prize goes to the Arshita Bakoni, and first prize goes to the Shivani Sau. Congratulations, both of you. And in Group B, grade 8 to 10 standard, first prize goes to the Akansha Singhal. Congratulations. Next, okay. In West Bengal, Group A, grade 5 to 7 standard, third prize goes to the Hiranya Mati, second prize goes to the Rimadev Sherpa, and first prize goes to the Shubhankar Dey. So congratulations all of you. Next, in state West Bengal Group B grade A2 in standard. Third prize goes to the Sumna Bera. Second prize goes to the Sudipta Das. And first prize goes to the Sanju Hazara. Congratulations all of you.
Thank you,
So,
Nandakishore,
yeah.
for announcing the prizes. And I can see the chat box, and I know you all are very excited for prizes in your state, from your states. Please, little bit patient. We are trying to cover it as less time. So yes, thank you so much. And now I will invite Kiran again to announce the further prizes.
Thank you, Priyanka. Now we'll be announcing for state Gujarat. Next slide, Priyanka. So from Group A, that is for grade 5th to 7th, third prize goes to Sirisha Singh from Barodra High School. Second prize goes to Saili Ambatkar, Vibro High School, Barodra. And first prize goes to Nandini Talegaonkar from New Era Senior Secondary School, Nizampur. Congratulations to all of you. Let's move to Group B. Group B or Gujarat, that's grade 8 to 10th. Third prize goes to Prachi Muri from Srimati Sandra Ben Sheriff Gandhin. Second prize goes to Purva Patil from Vapi Public School. And first prize goes to Dhoni Ashwin Kumar Patel from Barodra High School. Congratulations to all of you. Let's move on to the next slide. Now we'll be announcing a prize for state, Haryana state. So for Group A, third prize goes to Senintaro Zamir from Sri Ram Millennium High School, Faridabad. And second prize goes to Shiv Huda, MND Public School, Rohtak. And first prize again from same school, MND Public School, Rohtak. The first prize goes to Ghazal. So this was Haryana State Group A prizes. Congratulations to all the students. Next slide. The third prize for Group A goes to Asta Patnaik from Summerfield School. Second prize goes to Anandita Agarwal, Srinath Millennium School. And the first prize goes to Nikita from MDN Public School, Rohtak. So let's move. Congratulations to all the students. Let's move to next states, that Jammu Kashmir state. Next slide. So Group A, for Group A of Jammu Kashmir state, the third prize goes to Zarka Iqbal of Oasis Higher Secondary Education Institute. Second prize goes to Khairan Nisa of Delhi Public School. And the first prize for Jammu Kashmir state goes to Hazika Fatima of Oxford Presentation School. Congratulations to all the winners. Group B of Jammu Kashmir state, we have received one entry for Group B, and that prize goes to Padma Lahaban from JN National Public School. Let's move on to next state, that's state Jharkhand. For Jharkhand state Group A. Next slide. So for third prize for Group A, third prize goes to Ishan Thakur from Little Flower School, Jamshedpur. Second prize goes to Shubhangi Shah from Sacred Heart School, Ranchi. And first prize goes to Shruti Sneha, DAV Public School, Hazirabad. Next, move to Group B. So for Group B, third prize goes to Sejal Gupta of Oxford Public School, Ranchi. Second prize for Group B goes to Soumya Palak, DAV Public School, Hazirabad. And the first prize goes to Sandhya Kumari from DAV Public School, Devghar. Let's move to next state. Now we'll be announcing for state Karnataka. Group A, For state Karnataka Group A, third prize goes to Gunashri from Geeta Bharati School, Mysore. Second prize goes to again from a same school, Geeta Bharati School, Prakriti S. The first prize even from a same school, Geeta Bharati School, and first prize go to Nidhi Bharadwaj. Congratulations to all the students of Geeta Bharati School. So for Group B, Group B for Karnataka State, third prize goes to Sanjita MS from Delhi Public School, Bangalore. Second prize goes to Nandini V. Kanvi from KJ Somaya English Medium School, Samirwadi. And first prize for Karnataka State Group B goes to Varshitha from GSS Bantawal Madhav Shinoy High School, Mysore. Let's move to next state. Good consolation prize for Karnataka states for Group B. We have received a very good entries from Karnataka states, so that's why we are encouraging students and giving them consolation prize even. So consolation prize for Karnataka state Group B goes to Pratiksha Satish from GS Bantawal Madhav Shinoy School and Yashwant Manju from the same GS Bantawal Madhav School. So next state is Ladakh. Next slide. For Group A, Ladakh, second prize goes to Siwang Dijun from DSP Lake, and first prize goes to Disyong Ningyal from St. Peter High School. Congratulations to prize winners. Group B of Ladakh State, the third prize goes to Cheong Stanzi from Moravian Mission School. Second prize for Ladakh State goes to Idgan Stanzi from Duncan Padman Purpose School. And fourth prize for Ladakh State goes to Gayfail Stanzi from Government High School. Next, let's move to next state. Next state is Madhya Pradesh. Group A. Next slide. Group A for Madhya Pradesh state. Third prize goes to Rachit Kumar, 7I World School, Gwalior. Second prize goes to Naitik Jain from the same school, 7I World School. And the first prize even goes to Somaya Nagar from same school, 7I World School, Gwalior. Congratulations to all the winners. Next, Group B. Group B, third prize goes to Jayesh Verma from Kendriya Vidyalaya, Indore. Second prize goes to Rafil Molin from Shri KP Patel Gujarati Girls High School. First prize goes to Anushka Porwal from CA School, Indore. Congratulations to all the winners. Next state will be seeing Manipur. So Group A, Manipur. Next slide. For Group A from Manipur, we have received only one entry, and prize goes to Neha Devi Kangumba from Heritage Convert School. Second, Manipur Group B second prize goes to Sukanya Kishma for Forbil English High School, and first prize goes to Sureka Keshma from Forbil English School. Congratulations to a winner. Now for state Nagaland. Next. So we have received only one entry from Nagaland. That goes to Sinita Pongir from Holidul School, Dimpur. Congratulations, Sinita. Next slide. Group B. From Group B, we have received one entry. Entula Pongir, same school, Holidul School, Dimpur. Congratulations to the winner, state Nagaland. Next, Pondicherry. So Group A winners for Pondicherry. Next, right? So Group A winner for Pondicherry State. Second prize goes to R. Monica from Acharya Bal Siksha Mandir School. And first prize goes to from same school, that's Divya Reddy from Acharya Bal Siksha Mandir School. Congratulations, Divya and Monica. Next, from Punjab, State Punjab. From State Punjab, third prize for Group A goes to Daksh Anand from International Public School. Second prize goes to Nimya Vijay from St. Anne's Convent School. First prize goes to Prabhan Goyal, Doon International School. Congratulations to all the winners. Group B from Punjab, we have received only one entry from it. So it goes to Randir Preet branch from RAN International. State, Rajasthan State will be announcing results for Rajasthan State. Rajasthan State Group A, third prize goes to Mukul Yadav from St. Paul's Senior Secondary School. Second prize goes to Apurva Gupta from St. Paul's School, Gate. And first prize goes to Tanishka Sharma from St. Paul Secondary School. Congratulations to the all winners. Group B, third prize goes to Priyanshi Gujar from St. Paul Senior Secondary School. Second prize goes to Hirdesh Iyani from St. Paul Senior Secondary School. And the first prize goes to Anjali Gupta from Sacred Heart Convent School. Congratulations to all the winners. Next state is Himachal Pradesh. Now we'll see results for Himachal Pradesh. So Group A, second prize winner for Himachal Pradesh state is Meena. Second prize goes to Meena from Government High School, Kariyar. And the first prize goes to Palak from the same school, Government High School, Kariyar. Next slide from Group B, Himachal. The third prize goes to Sonu Kumar. We have all the three prizes from the same school, and the third prize goes this slide. Third prize goes to Sonu Kumar. Second prize goes to Mukesh, and the first prize goes to Archana, and all are from Government High School. Congratulations to all the winners. Next slide. Next state is Kerala. First prize from Kerala state for Group A goes to Anaya Shubhas. She is from Sri Narayan Public School, Poland. Next slide. Group B prizes for Kerala state. Second prize goes to Aditya BV from Rani J Higher Secondary School, Nirmala Giri. And first prize goes to Aditya RB from Forbil English High School. So this was congratulations to the winner. This was a winner from Kerala state.
Thank you so much, Kiran, for announcing the prizes and the winners. Now I would like to invite Mr. Abhijit Malekar, Admin Officer, BNHS, to announce the prizes for Sikkim State.
Hello,
Sir.
Priyanka. Am
Yes.
I audible?
Yes, sir, you are.
Okay. Thank you. Yeah, so the result, congratulations to all the students. And the prize winners, as you can see, for Group A, Shikha Rai from Rolep School. Second prize goes to Yashoda Sonari, Government Secondary School. And the first prize goes to Pranish Rai, West Point Senior Secondary School. Congratulations. From Group B, we have third prize goes to Dipan Sharma, Government Secondary School. Second prize goes to Ishika Darji, Renok Senior Secondary School. And the first prize goes to Cassia Rai, again Renok Secondary school. Okay. We also have a consolation prizes. Yeah. So there are 2 consolation prizes. One goes to Rudansh Rawat from Tashi Namgyal Academy. And the second goes to Sanskriti Adhikari, G Next Boarding. So congratulations, business, and all we appreciate all the participants who took in this drawing competition, participated in this drawing competition. Congratulations. Over to you, Priyanka.
Thank you so much, Abhijit sir, for announcing the prizes for Sikkim State. And let us start with the Maharashtra State again. So I know many of you are excited for the winners from the Maharashtra State. So I will announce the prizes now. From Group A, standard 5th to 7th. The third prize goes to, actually the third prize got divided. So we have 2 winners for third prizes. First one is Samanvita Muduli from Bal Bharati Public School, Mumbai, Navi Mumbai, Maharashtra. Then we have third prize for Prince Jana, Army Public School, Pune. Then we have a second prize, Aryan Marathe, Visanji Academy, Andheri, Mumbai. And the first prize goes to Rohan James from St. Gregious High School, Chembur. Congratulations to all the winners. And we have consolation prizes for Group A because we have received so many entries. The Maharashtra is only one state that we have got more than 200 entries, 300 entries. I'm sorry, 300 entries. So the consolation prizes goes to Soumya Sachin Jadhav from Karnal Public School, Ahmednagar. Then Yuvika Jain from Rhine International School, Kandivali, Mumbai. Manushri Kumbhakar from Atomic Energy Central School, Mumbai. Then Khan Rabia Sarfaraz from Al Hidayah Public School, Bhiwandi. Further consolation prizes goes to Reni Singh from Bal Bharati Public School, Navi Mumbai. Arghya Sinha from Podar International School, Powai. Mahi Shukla from Ryan International School, Pune. Eva Shah from homeschooling. Then we have more consolation prizes for Kabir Jadhav, Srimati Sulochana Devi Singhania School, Thane. Tanish Pathare, VPM International School, Navi Mumbai. Kamudi Gaikwad, Swami Vivekananda International School, Mumbai. And Samiksha Ugale, Shri Mahalsa Narayani Public School, Akola. Congratulations to all the winners from Group A. And let us move to Group B. So third prize goes to Mrunal Nilesh Dalvi from BPM's International School, Navi Mumbai. Second prize goes to Reena Kanifnath Kamte from SD Barfiwala High School, Andheri. First prize goes to Pooja Eknath Pawar from Matoshri Shantabai Govindrao Sonavne English Medium School, Nashik. Congratulations. And we have consolation prizes for Group B as well. So the consolation prizes goes to Sejal Sachin Chaudhary from BPM International School, Airoli. Muskan Sheikh from ABM PS School. Tanashri Tarare from Oxford Public School, Mumbai. Mitra Waghela from Visanji Academy, Andheri. Ananya Akole. And Shashank Kumar from Navy Children's School, Uran. Avishka Narayan Putran from Maratha Mandir Babasaheb Gowde English Medium School, Mumbai. Uttam Nayak from Abhyudaya Education Society, Mazgaon. Shifa Pathan from ABMPS, Mumbai. Garima Rathi from Army Public School, Pune. J. Anushka from Saint Therese Convent High School, Dombivli, and Aaron D'Souza from Podar International School, Powai. So these are the prizes for Maharashtra state, and congratulations to all the winners from each and every state, and thank you so much for participating in large numbers. So those who are, I would like to congratulate all of you here, those who joined and participated in the drawing competition, and those who are winners, please send your full postal address with PIN code. Don't forget to mention a PIN code on this email ID, cecmumbai@bnhs.org. Okay, I'll put it in a chat box also. It's cecmumbai@bnhs.org.
CEC dash.
Oh, sorry, cec-mumbai@bnhs.org. So thank you so much. And now I would like to invite Raju sir to give vote of thanks. Raju sir.
Yes, good evening. I can see the students getting impatient and you are now we have announced all the prizes and everyone is asking what are the prizes for UP or Gujarat, and so we have announced all the prizes. So what we will do is we will upload the list of winners on BNHS Facebook page and BNHS Facebook group tonight, and we will upload the video of this program, this prize distribution program on YouTube channel, and the link will also be shared on BNHS Facebook page and BNHS Facebook group. So you can go back and watch the video again if you want to see your drawing and your name there. It seems that many of you have written your names or you have spelled your names wrongly. It is possible because when you are submitting, possibly you can always make a spelling mistake. So what we think is please write your correct spellings. Otherwise, your wrong spelling will will be printed on the not printed. It will, because it will be a e-certificate. So you may get a e-certificate with the wrong spelling. So please write your names correctly. Many of you have just written your names. Just written your names like Raju and Priyanka. So there will be 1,000 Rajus in Maharashtra and 500 Priyankas in Tamil Nadu. So that's not sufficient. You should write your full name if you want that way on the certificate. So I request you, please take care. Please do write your name seriously if you want that to be spelled correctly by us, because we are not correcting your names. Whatever you are writing, we just have to copy paste. We don't think we should correct your names. You only know what is the spelling of your name. So thank you very much for participating, and so many of you joined so enthusiastically. I want to thank Tata Motors Limited especially for helping Bombay Natural History Society and believing in us during the times of COVID to reach out to all the students across India and conduct this beautiful project of reaching out to the students. So thank you all, and over to Priyanka. And the email address is cec-mumbai@bnhs.org. That is the email address on which you have to send whatever emails you want to send. And the consolation prizes, number of consolation prizes was decided because there were lots and lots of entries from Maharashtra. So we gave consolation prizes in Maharashtra. Other states, the number of entries were not so many compared to that. And so if we keep announcing the names of winners again and again, I think the entire night we will be discussing announcing the names again and again. So you can visit BNHS Facebook page and YouTube channel of the BNHS CEC Mumbai and watch this video again and again. Thank you, Priyanka. And
yes, sir. Yeah. So I would like to request you, sir, to speak something about our judge for this drawing competition.
Our judge was Devdatta Padekar, and he is a very famous artist, and he did his college, the Bachelor of Fine Arts and Master of Fine Arts from Mumbai JJ School of Art. So he's a very famous person, and he has done lots of exhibitions, and he's a very famous artist, and all his paintings are sold at a very high price. So he was our judge, and he did all the judging, and all the names were just copy pasted by him. So we haven't done any copy mistake because the names are copy pasted and as written by you in the form when you submitted the paintings. So thanks to Mr. Devdatta Padekar, who gave his valuable time for this beautiful drawing competition. Thanks, Priyanka.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much for vote of thanks. And I have got so many queries in the chat box. So yes, for consolation prizes as well, you have to send us the postal address. We will be sending you the prizes on your postal address. So make sure you are writing your name with the correct spelling and your the full address with PIN code. So for consolation prizes as well, you have to send the details which we have asked. And
Priyanka, just
you
Priyanka,
will
just
be-
to add, from Tata Motors, I especially want to thank three persons: Sri Vinod Kulkarni sir, who is the head of CSR, for the support, tremendous support he gave us. Anjali ma'am, who supported us, and Karina, who supported us as if we were a team. So thanks to all of them for the great support which we got. Yeah.
Yes, sir. Yes, absolutely. Yes, thank you so much. So, extremely sorry, we cannot announce the prizes again. We cannot because it will be too hectic. It will be too long, and we are trying to cover this in a short time. And you can watch this video on YouTube. Okay, you can visit BNHS YouTube page or CEC YouTube page, and or else you can visit BNHS Facebook page. Okay, so we will be uploading this video shortly, so you can go and watch this video again and again. So e-certificates will be provided to all of you, those who have participated in the drawing competition, those who didn't get chance to win this competition. You can try next year and you can get the prize next year. So thank you so much for joining. I would like to thank Raju sir, entire team of BNHS, and team of Tata Motors, Kulkarni sir, Anjali ma'am, and Karina. So thank you so much. And last but not the least, I want to thank all of you for joining this event and making you all made this event a grand success. Thank you so much for joining and take care. We'll conclude this event now. And if you have any queries, any doubts, you can write on cec-mumbai@bnhs.org. We will reply you as soon as possible. The email ID is in the chat box. You can just copy it. You can visit the BNHS Facebook page for the YouTube video of this session, or else you can just mail us on this email ID. We will send you the link. Thank you so much. Thank you, everyone. Take care.